Ça, bah, chaud.
Ça c'est bon, ok?
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome to the family. Today is Thursday, we're in the middle of the week, well, tomorrow the week ends. And today was actually sports day at our school. So this is why I'm wearing this t-shirt saying good vibes, and this yellow t-shirt of course, because this is my house, Pierre house. So we did win the sports meet today, and I took a few clips for you guys so you guys can check out what exactly happened.
Come on, stay in line. Stay in line. Right, everybody go into the inner room. Into the inner room, right.
So I'm home and I'm about to grab a bite because I'm extremely tired from the day. Honestly, the sun was so hot. It was so hot at the park. I feel a little bit drained and I have a little headache. So I'm going to have something to eat and I might just relax a little bit before I take a shower and unwind for the night. But yeah, it was overall a good day today. Can't complain. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday and then we have a beautiful weekend ahead. So yeah, let's get into the video. Guys, I'm truly exhausted from the day. However, I have to put in some work tonight on my laptop. I have some school work to do, some stuff for a course that I'm doing. I have an assignment due on Sunday, so I have to get that done. However, guys, I noticed that you really enjoyed the last video, the cooking challenge that we had, and you said it was simply fun. And I'm just letting you know that I have more challenges coming up for the channel. This weekend, actually, we're doing the Sandcastle building challenge. We're doing a Sandcastle battle. So we're taking it to the beach and we're going to be having teams and we're going to be competing to see who can build the best sandcastle. Hey guys, I'm just done with all my work. I took a little shower and I'm about to go to bed. I'm really tired, exhausted today, in fact. And tomorrow is Women's Day. Good morning guys, it is the next day and I'm already at work bright and early. I'm actually about to have a drink because I left home without breakfast this morning. I literally packed up my breakfast and left. And yeah, I'm about to drink that. And after, we're going downstairs for an assembly. This assembly is an International Women's Day assembly. Guys, thank God you can hear me. The school has not become crazy yet. So we have a few students that are here already, but it's not loud. So I'm kind of happy about that. Hopefully they'll be early though for the assembly, but I appreciate the little peace and quiet before the storm.
I'm a queen. I belong. I have a sense of purpose. Disability. She comes and she is determined and she is motivated. This girl is on fire. I'm unbeatable, creative, and you can get it out.
Guys, the whole assembly is almost over. It was pretty long, however we got through it. But I believe that after this I'll be passing at Constitution Park. There's going to be some sort of display or something happening for Women's Day, so I think I will be around there. Yeah, but for now I'm hungry, so hungry, because it's already 12. I just came to film. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday right now, and today's actually going to be a very fun day because we're heading to the beach today. Hopefully the weather is on our side today. I've been up early. Actually, as you can see, my face looks a little sweaty. That's because I've been in the kitchen all morning cooking. So I did some macaroni pie, some fried rice, some chicken. I'm about to put the lentils on, and then I'm going to go get ready because we're leaving very early, actually 9:30 a.m. Yesterday, Saturday, I did not vlog. I've been really caught up. Last challenge, you know, Talis, myself and Jordan, our team won. So this challenge, I know other teams will be coming on really strong. So yeah, and we don't know if Talis and Jordan will be on my team. It's bright out now, and I'm just having my breakfast before I go get ready. I prepared some overnight chia seed pudding with some oats, so you could say overnight oats as well. And I think that's going to keep me full till lunchtime, honestly, because it's full of stuff: bananas, peanut butter, all of that. Guys, I'm almost dressed for the beach. Well, practically dressed for the beach. Swimsuit and my long skirt with slips. Who came to meet me this morning to help transport the food. We don't know if we're going to be on each other's teams though. So we're friends for now. Hey Dookie. Dookie, I'm not taking you to the beach today with mommy. You'll do the Sandcastle? Hey, leave my plant alone. Guys, we're on our way down to the beach. I'm here with the food. And Jordan picked me up. And Kayla, Jordan and Kayla. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hey, guys.
Hello, YouTube.
We just got to the entrance of the beach. Myself and Gigi, we're under the shanty waiting for everybody else to get here. They went to buy water, and then we need to go down. The pathway is right over there. You ready for the Sandcastle challenge?
I think so.
Yeah, where your tools? Where your tools?
My tools, raw materials, exactly.
Raw materials, okay. You bad so.
Okay, I'm strong. This car? Yeah.
Jordan is the moderator for today, so he will tell us the amount of time that we have and all of that. Latecomers.
Fellas have the thing, the structural integrity and thing, rectangular bucket and thing. Yes, so this happen for we.
We have something
Prepared?
Yeah, prepared.
That's up. Buy shoe.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're going down the trail. Almost everybody is here. Yanel is still not here yet, so when he gets here, he's going to come down himself.
What you got there?
I got my tools for today. myself for chilling and having a picnic also, but hopefully I'm able to build the best sandcastle out of everyone here today.
This is exercise as well. And we're getting our dose of vitamin D this morning. Isn't it beautiful to be from the Caribbean? We are here.
It's so pretty. We're here at Mwahh with S.EvarLove. Enjoy.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the bottom of the screen. S.EvarLove.
That's the tune? So, moderator, when are we starting? We're going to have a drink first and then we'll start. I think I need a little drink. I need to hydrate myself and then we start. Right? Right. We have to choose our teams. Hopefully I'm on the team that has all the tools or the equipment to build, because I see Chance and Jose came with everything.
All the tools.
I have my own tools, but they came with everything, so imagine that.
Good luck if you're not on my team.
Alice will actually be judging today, so he will be the one saying who's the winner. He's very critical, very difficult, so we'll see. We'll see who he picks. Alice, what you doing? You're doing all that physical activities for the girls them. We're about to start. We're getting ready to dip for the teams. We're having 2 teams today because we plan on building some really big and complicated sandcastles. If we can.
Double trouble.
Double. 2 extra people for the. We have 2 extra people for the competition. We have Denise and we have Doc, and he just went in the sea. So we'll be dipping in a while. But numbers, so we can dip.
Because God didn't give Gianni hands.
Gianni holding the knife like a real criminal. Lord God. Gianni, put that down. We're going to dip. This is always the this is the part where I get a little nervous because I want my team to be a good team. Okay, right now we're dipping for our numbers. We have 2 teams. When you get your number, you will know what team you're on, and then you're going to go ahead. Well, when the moderator says to start, you're going to build a sandcastle. But you have to be creative with your sandcastle. It could be as big as you want it to be or as small as you want it to be, but it has to be very creative. Talis will be our judge for today. So he knows the criteria, he has his own criteria.
Yeah, who did you? That one's so quality to say. Can't take too long.
All number 2s, come over here. Oh no, this come with tools. I'm the only girl on this team.
The price is Yanel. Hey.
Yeah, the price is Yanni. Let's go.
Best out of 3, eh?
That's out of 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Take the photo.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
One.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, one each.
One.
Down to the final round.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah!
I told you I'm a winner. I told you.
All right, so this that's team 2. Team number 1.
It was fine. Okay, so you're going to have an hour to build your sandcastles. I time it out. So at the time I eat, stop. Guys, I haven't even started yet. But team 2 has already started. Let's sack this out. Why you started?
We didn't do anything.
Yeah, I saw you did. Why you did?
You saw me do. Look at me. Did what?
Why you did?
I didn't do anything. You have it on camera.
Yeah.
Wasn't me. Show me.
Okay, I'll show you.
Show me.
Each of them contestants will have something. It was nice little circle. Are you saying we
How tall are we going?
You have to.
How tall are we gonna go?
As tall as you want. Belly height.
Let's see.
Probably them.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Teamwork.
Yeah, whatever she says. She's. You just tell me what to do. You know me. Absolutely. Okay, a base. So what was digging with it?
So right now, I'm approaching team 1's spot. Just left team 2 at the back there. Team 1, what's your plan?
What's our plan? Coming closer. You'll hear them do it like
We're gonna do it like a stone castle or
So, you all
Closer
think
to
you're
the
going to
sea.
do good?
yeah.
Alright,
That was confident.
okay. So what's your, how y'all feeling?
Good. 1 hour, right?
Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour.
No
No sabotaging. No sabotaging. If y'all want, y'all can help each other by only giving tools. No sabotaging. Y'all cannot mash up a sandcastle. Nah man, not today, not today. That was last time, not today. So
All this fear and love and war.
Yeah, me just running this smash.
nah man.
Can I have attention, Mr.
You see, if you do things like that, that's just going to be unfair.
They can do it to us too.
Anyway, your time starts now.
Now, time.
So guys, the beach is beaching. The sun is out. The sea is seeing. You understand me?
If you don't have much to steal. Okay. In the middle there. Whoa. Your feet are way too close to the edge. You're breaking it.
You could shape it and pat it and then pull it out slowly. That will be longer.
There's little.
You can go bigger.
You want to go nice?
What are you guys making?
We're making the foundation of our castle.
That's the foundation. Okay.
We have to move,
You'll have the right person with your nail.
I have to move this because yeah, look it.
But we could use some ideas. What do you think?
Flip.
Yeah.
I have the ideas, but I got the map.
What can I say?
Taj Mahal small.
The hour is going down quite fast. They have only 40 minutes left to build the whole sandcastle. Let's see what team one has. What y'all making?
A village.
We're making a village.
What's up now? Come on, good.
Yeah, that's it.
Check out this guy, he's smiling. Yeah, what the fuck? Going down the free. That's videos, man, that's videos.
That's not the thumbnail.
Just at the bottom part, on that side, looking like two.
Just take water. Just wet all that in that. All that stuff. Just wet that. Just wet all that. Just wet that. Just wet that part.
Forget any things there, like the spoons and things. Watch, put it one place. Like the usually had by people.
Yeah, they're vlogging the weekend.
Arthur's Knotless Strands is there. Apparently they're doing a little cook out here, yo. If I knew, then they would have joined our Sandcastle battle for sure. So guys, Arthur Knotless Strands is here. You guys are familiar with Outer the Potato, most of you from the Lucian subscribers. So she will be one of our judges today.
Moderator, that moderator is not moderating, sir. I moderate.
I'm moderate, we.
I moderate, la.
I'm moderate, ma. So the group 1, group 2. What's that?
I got moderate. You got moderate.
I just base him, no?
How much time we have left?
Maybe 15 minutes. But I'm going to give them, you know, a little extra time. They have 16 minutes now. I might give them maybe 14 minutes extra time because they don't look too good. They slow.
And that's for both groups? That's for both groups?
That's for both groups.
Both groups.
Well, that's the first time, so I don't blame them. I know if I was there, I would get, you know, a little frustrated because I see interior going too nice. I have OCD, I want everything to be perfect, so. And, you know, the moderator vibe is good for me.
Well, I stay in here much longer because I want to see nothing else until the end. We have a surprise guest, Judge Arthur, Outer the Potato, myself. So, looking forward to see how well this goes. In about 10 minutes, I'll go to her to discuss our judging criteria. Oh, which is, by the way, kid on this, hey. Right, our judging criteria: ingenuity, creativity, sand, so structural rigidity, design language, and coherence. So you can't have 10 spikes and a circle out of nowhere for the reason. Check it, your thing have to be able to stand on its own. So all that in it.
Y'all have to give a description about your sandcastle when you're done. Okay? Yes, you'll have to say, you know, you'll have to talk about your sandcastle. Okay? Also, you'll have to give your sandcastle a name. A unique name. You're just stacking pillars?
No, we
Mount Jimmy. That bridge looking good. You know when the wet sand come on that day that go be proper. So guys, the timer ended, but I decided to give them 50 minutes extra since you're not done or almost done.
He's taking this. Yes, sir. It's good, right? Good. It's cool, man. No, it's good, man. It's good. We're good, man. We're having a discussion between men.
Hi, Kenny. Okay, guys, this is our garden, our sandcastle garden. We're not yet completely done. See, we have Chanter decorating it, and Dennis is decorating some shells as well. Jose is just adding some water to our stuff. Yeah. It kind of looks lovely. I like the stuff I did with the stairs. Yeah.
So, Doc, how are you liking today?
I'm loving it. I think we're doing really well. We started with nothing, absolutely nothing, and look what we've been able to build.
Or if we put that so close, we can just put like. As you put that so close there, it will really save it to you.
That thing I was having it from here. The silver thing.
That.
Our neighboring village.
Okay, now you have the boy Kinkwa.
That is not easy. That is not. I'm so sorry. I'm not at myself right now.
You just put my whole day. Just put all day. We are not free.
When are people start to online stuff?
That time I have to go. We I like this, Alice. I like it.
What's that? Is that it all coming apart?
The struggle is real,
Okay,
but
that's it. No,
we'll do it. We'll make it.
And here's him bush.
So we have a love castle here.
Okay, that looking like the top of a castle, right?
Size. Let's take a look.
They have leaves we can put on top of that one.
Almond.
Oh, almonds.
Almond lane.
Oh, almonds.
Someone just came on the beach with lots of barracudas.
What the hell?
Wow.
It have to be flying, eh? Which one? The one you put inside. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't stay down anyway.
You know, never going to see. Then what am I going to do?
That is beautiful.
No, yeah.
None of them, both of them.
All right, guys, everybody assemble. Your judges, Talis and
After.
what's up after the potato?
After the potato.
You want to see?
Jack on it.
All right, so we're just going to take a look at well, a few major components. We have the creativity, the ingenuity, structural rigidity, so how strong it's going to be, the coherence, how everything works together, and then design language. So these are our criteria for now. So we're going to start off with group 1.
Somebody?
The goddess's garden. And there's the goddess's tower with all of the other ones.
So all that is part of it?
Yeah, that's the green point of the ocean.
Hey! Okay.
Bro, all the time they will your property.
Hey, all the time they're mashing up things, eh?
You have anything inside that building, is it?
There's the container and look up right
I was with see.
there. The bamboo had water in it for the shark and stuff, but it dried out.
Okay. So that's a dead shack.
Make sure I sit there.
I like your reaction. My judges after asking me all the questions
Yeah.
that she seen what I see.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
I see there are poles there for the...
Yeah, for everything, for getting everything.
Both sides are poles.
Yeah, both entrance.
Both
Both
entrance.
steps for the landing on the patio there.
With group number 2. Your presentation, please.
Welcome to Castle Zaman Damu. Zaman Damu. As you can see, our castle has lots of zaman, as we call it in St. Lucia. Right? Our castle is an expression of love for our country. We did not want to give our castle a European feel because a lot of the times you think of castles, you think of Europe and the castles there. But we wanted it to be an expression of the love that we have for our country, the beach, and the zaman falling on our heads from the tree. And as you can see, the top of our castle, we have details. We have hats expressing the love, Damu. We have details. We have a bridge leading up to the entrance of our castle. See, we have zaman, the zaman tree leaves, and the zamans there. We have heart shapes all around. And then we have the top of the castle.
What inspired the shape of your castle?
Almond.
Almond.
Yeah, the almond inspired the shape of the castle. So the almond is shaped like this. As you can see, it's like an oval shape. It's not completely round. And over here we have our village. This signifies the villages that we have in St. Lucia. And strong and neated they are.
I see you'll have a pool before your entrance. That I don't understand. Have a sat. Make yourself comfortable.
I hope it's good news I get in as I sit down there.
Very good. Take from there.
But I'm in trouble.
Come there.
That's the
I must give it a 6. Coherence. So how everything ties together. You are designing all together very well. Because the shack is dead right now. By itself.
sacrifice for the goddess.
The shack is dead right now. So total, your point, 38 points out of 50. 58 out of 50.
Like for me, Saturday bon, okay?
Just the amazing job.
Everything was proper. Everything was good. So for creativity, for group 1, I give an 8.
I would like to point out to you is the design for the castle itself, for the main castle. If you had put a design, it would have stood out more to say that's where the princess. Alright, group 2. Y'all, yeah. Creativity, I give you a 7.
Why?
You know why? Just that your creativity suffered in one place for me, and that was water pictures.
That's what castle.
I mean, with the competition, you bring your all.
They gave you a castle, but it wasn't yours.
But our castle was not the difficult castle.
Alright. The water.
Your village, although very well designed,
Wait, where are you going?
just a village. It was just a village. Although very well designed, papered everything, all almonds and everything, it was just a village. Okay? Structure rigidity, 8. No way, nothing there not falling just so. 8. Nothing there not falling just so. Coherence, I give you 8. I give you 8. Because it's amazing. Like your almond thing, it is carried out. Same 38.
We get the 38.
After the change. After for the change.
Okay.
Nice.
Why are you trying to influence the judge? You're trying to influence the judge.
After for the change. So for creativity, I have an 8. Okay. For ingenuity, I have a 7. The structural rigidity, I have an 8. And coherence, I have a 9. And language, I have a 9.
Just now, y'all don't know if you're winning.
But if you did the math,
You're nailing the water already. You think we won? That shit. That not looking good.
Oh, Gianni.
Exactly.
It's a tie, Bombo.
How did that tie? That doesn't make sense.
It's a tie. Well, tiebreaker, what you can do,
As long as it's
the online following, have them vote.
So it's a tie, guys. Congratulations to everybody. We had fun. We were creative. If you would like to try that Sandcastle challenge with your family, your friends, go ahead, do it.
Big up Aman Zadamu. What's the name of it? Zadamu?
Zamandamu.
Don't forget to tag our video S.EvarLove.
Don't forget to tag me so I can see your Sandcastle challenge.
Yeah. Now we need the big one.
Break it, Chago, break it. Yeah.
Good job. Yeah.
Oh, break that one.
Yeah.
Break that, Chago. Break it.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And follow S.EvarLove on Instagram.
Can we talk about